Desjardins Lawyers, your Canadian immigration law firm. Here's another option for business people who wish to immigrate to Canada. The C11 under the International Mobility Program. This program is for business immigrants who are interested in investing in Canada by establishing their own business or by buying an existing business. What are the requirements of the C11? 1. You have completed at least a high school degree. 2. Your language level in French or English must be intermediate, being at least 5 on a scale of 10. 3. You need to start your own business or be a majority shareholder of an eligible Canadian business. 4. Your work in Canada is likely to create a viable business in which you will invest a minimum of $200,000 Canadian that will benefit Canadians. 5. You have a particular business background or skills that will improve the viability of the business in Canada. 6. Your business clearly shows that you have taken steps to initiate your business in Canada. For example, showing the financial ability to begin the business and pay expenditures and renting space. Having a staffing plan. Obtaining a Canadian business number. Showing ownership documents or agreements already signed. 7. And you must demonstrate that your business will generate significant economic benefits for Canadians. Indicators of significant benefit include general economic stimulus, such as job creation, development in a regional or remote setting, or expansion of export markets for Canadian products and services. Advancement of the Canadian industry, such as technological development, product or service innovation, or differentiation or opportunities for improving the skills of Canadians. Applicants who obtain a work permit under the C11 are potentially eligible to receive up to 250 additional points on their Federal Comprehensive Ranking System CRS score. That's a lot of points, which may place them at the top of the pool of candidates for express entry and virtually maximize the possibility for the candidate to receive an invitation to apply for Canadian permanent residence within Canadian Experience class of the express entry stream. This makes the C11 work permit a highly attractive option for business people. Based on your business management background, Desjardins Lawyers will assess your options and determine the best suitable scenario amongst the following. 1. Start your own business. We will assist you in developing your business idea. 2. Become a majority shareholder of an active Canadian company. We will share with you existing business opportunities. In summary, the C11 work permit is a work permit first with the Canadian Immigration Authorities based on your viable business plan. Your Canadian permanent residency application under the express entry can be filed after 12 months of business operation in Canada. Contact your Desjardins Lawyers Immigration Coordinator today if you're interested to apply under the C11 program, or write to us at info@desjardinslawyers.com.